How to fix TikTok mobile gaming audio sound problem. So if you want to fix the TikTok mobile gaming audio sound problem, then first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, go with search. Now under search, you need to search for TikTok. After searching for TikTok, now you need to go with update if you have any updates. So tap on update and update your TikTok application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Now, after updating, you can open up your TikTok. After opening a TikTok, now you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Now here you will have the live option, right? On the bottom you will have live option. You can go with the live section. Under live you will have go live option. You can tap on go live. And once you go with the live, then on the bottom left you will have a bunch of options. You can go with the mobile gaming and you can start your mobile gaming. And while starting your mobile gaming or while you're gaming, then you will have the microphone option. Make sure that the microphone is turned on. But if you don't find the microphone option right there, then you can also just go back, and here you need to just tap and hold on to your TikTok application. Go with the app info. Under app info, make sure that you've accessed the microphone option. So you need to go with permissions. Under permissions, here you will have microphone. Tap on microphone. Make sure that you've not selected don't allow, and you need to select allow while using the application or allow. Once you've set this, you can just restart your device, and after restarting, you can go back to your TikTok and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok mobile gaming audio sound problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.